Hello, everyone. This is Curtis at home in the kitchen cooking. That's right. It's that time again. So I'm finna fix something. Right now, it's morning time, and what I'm doing now is getting ready to fix up a good breakfast sandwich here. Yes, it's time for me to have another breakfast sandwich. I know I had one not too long ago, but it's that time. I just got another taste for some eggs and some sausage and some ham. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. I'm gonna see if I can get a good breakfast sandwich all fixed up here to share with y'all. So just stay tuned in, be patient with me because it's gonna take a little time to get this breakfast here together. As you can see, I'm putting some sausages over there in the pan there. Oh wow, had to get some of those hot country sausages. So I'm gonna put those in there, and we're just gonna get it all fixed up. I'm gonna cook the sausages in this pan. Also, I'm gonna have the ham in there. I'm gonna have some eggs in there, and we're gonna get all those flavors going in here. And this is the way you do it. You want to get some good flavor in there. You want to have that ham, sausage, egg flavor working in there for you. So you see what I'm doing right here. I got two of the sausages. I got them cut, these pan sausages. I got them cut. Got four of them in there. Oh, wow. Now we're going to get ready and we're going to come back with some ham. Oh, yeah. We're going to come back with the ham. There you go. You see the ham in there? Oh, yeah. There we go. We got some ham. We got to add some more in there because we're going to have some real good sandwiches here. Oh, yeah. In the morning, this is what I like to do. Fix a good old breakfast sandwich. And the only thing I need for this sandwich is that ham, the pan sausages, and now we gotta make some room in the pan so we can add some eggs in there. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. Hey, just continue to watch. You'll see what I'm doing right here. I'm finna crack that egg, and I'm gonna get that egg into the pan because we want the egg flavored up with all the ham flavor and the pan sausage flavor. See, that's what I'm talking about. You cook the eggs in there together, you're gonna bring in some more flavor into the full breakfast sandwich. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm cooking it, and what it is, I want to get that ham toasted down, kind of, because you want to bring it out. You want to bring the flavor up out of the ham. And so you gotta let it kind of sizzle there. You just want to toast that ham a little bit so you can get that flavor up out of there and into the pan so that the other items that you're cooking, like the eggs, you want to get some flavor into those eggs from that ham. Oh, wow. Just let them, cook them easy over. And we just going to have them, well done there. So you see what I'm doing here. You see it. It's got just got to kind of move it around a little bit here. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's looking good. So when it looks good, it's going to taste good. And that's what we're working on. A good, flavorful taste that tastes good. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look at this. So, looking back at it, just thinking about it as you work on it, you're like, yeah, this is gonna be good when we're finished. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah. So we just letting that sizzle right there. So now we finna get our buns toasted. That's why I put that skillet over there. So we got some of those hamburger buns that we're gonna use. We're gonna make a full sandwich, not none of those little bitty ones. We're making us a big full sandwich here, something that's gonna stay with you. That's right, something gonna stay with you throughout the day. So that's what we're working on right here. So I'm getting everything here together, and we just letting it. I got it turned down on low. We're gonna let it sizzle there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna warm the buns up over here, and I'm going to put some butter on them. So I want to get that good and warm. Yeah, I'm going to get it good and warm there. So, and to get this, you just got to put some time in, a little preparation. just to get your meal like you want it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna get it the way I want it, and it's just you don't rush this process. You take your time if you want something good, and this is gonna be good. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. So you see what I'm doing right now? I'm just gonna get the buns out of the package, and I'm gonna lay them there, and I'm gonna get them all warmed up and all, and kind of toast them. But I'm gonna put some butter on them, so you gotta have a little butter in there. Bring some more flavor into the bun here. That's gonna be good for our sandwich. Oh yeah, look at there, look at there. So we're getting it warm. So right now I'm standing over there on the side because I'm cutting some little strips of butter off of there so that I can bring it back over here for the buns and put on there. That's what I'm doing. I'm just standing there because I'm cutting that butter. I'm gonna put that butter in there. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. So we're working on something good. Oh yeah. So just give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes so I get that butter all cut up over here. Yeah. See what I'm saying? See there? That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna flip them over. Yeah, we got them flipped over right now. We getting there. So now, see, I'll put the little strips of butter on there. Oh yeah. I gotta get a little bit more. Yeah. See, I got one bun. I didn't get no butter on it because, well, I only had like 3. But there we go. See, got a little strips of butter. We're gonna flip it back over and let it kind of, toast that butter into that. Oh, and that's gonna bring in some more flavor into our buns. That's what we want. We want to get those buns all flavored up. Oh, look at that. Now we're gonna take them, flip the eggs over. Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes I'll let the eggs, but I'm gonna cook these all well done. Sometimes that's the easy over. I'll keep the yolk on them, but nah, I'm not gonna keep them. I'm gonna have a little bit of the yolk in there, but not a lot. Okay, and you can hear how that's just sizzling there. It's cooking it down. Oh yeah, it's cooking that down. Cooking that ham. Look at that. See how I have the ham all toasted up here. Oh yeah. That's what I was talking about earlier, bringing the flavor out of there. So once you get that flavor up out of there, then it's going to soak into the egg, and you'll get that pan sauce flavors soaking up into the egg. So you're going to have all of those flavors working for you. Look at here, look at here. So this is going to be, look at here. No, you just got to get in the kitchen and just do it. And that's what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing. I'm just getting in the kitchen here, and I'm just doing it. I'm just going to do me up a sandwich here. Yeah. Good old breakfast sandwich. Oh, yeah. So you see, I just wanted to move it around so that I can get all that flavor out of there. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to eat good here. We're going to eat us a good breakfast sandwich. Look at here. Look at here. Don't rush the process. Just let it happen as we go. We're just gonna let it happen. Just don't rush it, because if you let the process just come together, it's gonna be a good sandwich. Oh yeah, you'll see as we're working on it. Oh yeah. So you see there, I got the ham. I'm taking the ham out now. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, take that ham out of there. Oh yeah, we got the ham out, and we're gonna get the eggs out of there. Yep, the eggs. I wanted to flip it over a little bit, but that's enough. It's done. Yeah. All right, got that out of there. Okay, so now we're gonna take and We're gonna get our pan sausages out. We're just trying to squeeze them to make sure that they're cooked all the way through, not overcooked, but just cooked all the way where you just see a little of that juice coming out of them. That's when you know it's well done. Don't want no raw sausage. No, no, we cook our stuff all the way well done. Right. And so now we're gonna get our buns off. We ain't gonna burn the buns. We just toasting the buns a little bit so we can get that butter flavored onto our buns. Oh yeah. Look at there. Oh yeah. And so they ready. They are ready. The buns are ready. Yes, yes, yes. So now we're getting ready. We're getting ready to put our sandwich together. We're gonna put this sandwich here together. Oh yeah, let me get everything. I'm trying to get everything organized over there. That's why I'm taking a minute. Because I'm ready to get this sandwich together here. So just putting everything in. What I had to do was, while I was there, I was taking and shredding some cheese for it. Definitely got to have some cheese on there. Okay? Got to have you some good cheese. I got some of that extra sharp, chattered cheese. Got that. Oh, yeah. So now, we're getting the pan sausages out of there. Yeah, it's that time. So, with all of these ingredients right here, it's going to be good. We got some flavor in this sandwich. Okay. So, we're working on it. We're working on it right here. So, we just got to get us another plate so we can get these buns. See, there we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Got another plate right here so I can get the buns off. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Now give me a minute. Give me just a minute. Voila. Look at that. See, that's the cheese I was talking about. Look, I'm using some of that Duke mayonnaise. Oh, wow. I tell you, the Duke mayonnaise, hey, if you haven't tried some, you need to try some of that Duke. That Duke is good. That's some good mayonnaise there. I'm telling you. For flavoring up a sandwich, you put some of that Duke on there. Oh, look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Now I just picked that one up. That's a new one, so you know it go quick, and you got to pick up a new one because I don't know how long that's gonna last. It's gonna last us a little while, but hey, I'm gonna keep using some of that Duke to fix these sandwiches here. Look at here. I tell you, not just the breakfast sandwich, but throughout the week, any other kind of sandwich for lunch. You can put some of that Duke on there, and hey, it's gonna really bring some good flavor in. All right, so you see, I put some of that Duke mayonnaise on there, and I just want to spread it all over the bun here. See, got that on there. Look at that. Oh yeah, just wiping that all on there, get it on there good. Oh, see there, got the buns. We just buttered. Got the buns already toasted with the butter flavor into them. And now we putting that Duke on there. Woo! Look at here. We bite into this sandwich. And look here. Nah, I just don't know how to explain it. I can't tell you the taste. It just brings to you. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Now we're going to put that egg on there. Oh, yeah. We're going to put the egg on this sandwich here. See, now, as we say, we're putting us a sandwich together. Here we go. Got us 2 pan sauces on there. We got the egg, we got the pan sauce, we got us 2 slices of ham. Now we're gonna put that extra sharp cheddar cheese on it. Oh yeah. Yep. Now there we go. We got one sandwich bill. Yep. As we said, we got a sandwich bill. We got one sandwich bill. Now we're gonna build us another sandwich. There you go. More, put that egg on there. Uh, yeah. Put the sausage. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Now you know when you get a sandwich like this here, you can't just eat it all just like that. You gotta have your good big cold glass of milk to go with it. And that's what I'm gonna have with this. You'll see. You will see. See, there we go. Got that sandwich together. We got two of them together. Now I ain't gonna eat both of them. I'm gonna give my wife one. Yeah, y'all see it. Look at that. See how it's looking? Oh yeah. Yep. Y'all see that. Look at that. See? I put something in there. Yep. See? I just wanted to show that to y'all. Oh yeah. All right. It's that time, guys. It's that time. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's that time. Can I hold him and eat him? Oh yeah. Yeah. The minute we've been waiting for. To chow into that sandwich and have us a big cold glass of milk to go with it. Oh yeah. Good air, look at that. Good. Taking a bite. Then let me get another bite of that. That's good. Wish y'all was nearby. I'd fix y'all one, but y'all are not, so I have to do it for you on this video. Let you know how I'm tearing up this breakfast this morning with my glass of milk. Yeah, it's good, guys. It is good. Let me tell you. I put some work in it, and it's good. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying this sandwich here. Yeah, I must say, this is a good breakfast sandwich. Yeah, so this is gonna get me started for this morning. This started me out good this morning. Let me tell you. Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video that I put together to share with you on another breakfast sandwich here. But I got to go now. Bye. Stay tuned.